go, kids. Let's learn about 50 bird names. This is an emu. The emu is a tall bird from Australia. It also cannot fly, but is a strong runner. This is a cassowary. The cassowary is a large bird with a bright blue neck. It lives in the rainforest and can be dangerous. This is a rhea. The rhea is a large bird from South America. It looks like an ostrich, but smaller. This is a quail. The quail is a small brown bird that runs quickly on the ground. This is a partridge. The partridge is a plump bird that lives in fields and makes a whistling sound. This is a lapwing. The lapwing has black and white feathers and a little crest on its head. This is a sandpiper. The sandpiper is a small bird that runs along the beach looking for food. This is a sparrowhawk. The sparrowhawk is a small hawk that flies quickly to catch little birds. This is a kookaburra. The kookaburra is a bird from Australia. Its call sounds like loud human laughter. This is a hoopoo. The hoopoo is a bird with a funny crown of feathers on its head and a long beak. This is a sparrow. The sparrow is a tiny brown bird. It loves to hop around and sing sweet songs in the trees. This is a pigeon. The pigeon is a chubby bird you often see in the park. It makes a soft cooing sound and walks in groups. This is a crow. The crow is a black bird that says caw, caw. It's very clever and loves shiny things. This is a dove. The dove is a soft white bird. It flies peacefully and is known for being calm and gentle. This is an eagle. The eagle is a big, strong bird. It has sharp eyes and can fly very high in the sky. This is a parrot. The parrot is a colorful bird that can talk and copy your words. It's fun and friendly. This is owl. The owl is a night bird with big round eyes. It says hoo, hoo, and likes the dark. This is a duck. The duck is a water bird with webbed feet. It loves to swim and says quack, quack. This is a goose. The goose looks like a big duck with a long neck. It walks in a line and honks loudly. This is a swallow. The swallow is a small bird that flies really fast. It catches bugs while flying in the sky. This is a robin. The robin is a cute bird with a red chest. It sings happy songs in the morning. This is a peacock. The peacock is a fancy bird with long, colorful tail feathers. It loves to fan them out and dance. This is a turkey. The turkey is a big round bird with fluffy feathers. It makes a funny sound, gobble gobble. This is a hen. The hen is a mother chicken. She clucks gently and lays eggs. This is a rooster. The rooster is the father chicken. He wakes everyone up by saying cock-a-doodle-doo. This is a stork. The stork is a tall bird with long legs and a long beak. People say storks bring babies just for fun. This is a kingfisher. The kingfisher is a bright little bird. It dives into water to catch small fish. This is a sea flamingo. The flamingo is a pink bird that stands on one leg. It likes to be near water and mud. This is a hawk. The hawk is a strong and fast bird. It flies high and sees things from far away. This is a canary. The canary is a tiny yellow bird that sings beautifully. People love to keep it in cages. This is a swan. The swan is a big white bird with a long neck. It swims gracefully on lakes and looks very elegant. This is a pelican. The pelican is a large bird with a big beak and a pouch. It uses the pouch to catch fish. This is a penguin. The penguin is a black and white bird. It cannot fly, but waddles and swims very well in the cold sea. This is a seagull. The seagull is a white bird with gray wings. It loves the beach and makes loud squawk sounds. This is a woodpecker. The woodpecker is a bird that taps on trees with its beak to find bugs. This is a hummingbird. The hummingbird is a tiny bird that can flap its wings very fast. It drinks nectar from flowers. This is a falcon. The falcon is a fast bird of prey. It dives quickly to catch its food. This is a magpie. The magpie is a black and white bird that loves shiny objects and makes loud calls. This is a blue jay. The blue jay is a bright blue bird with a loud voice. It is very clever. This is a cardinal. The cardinal is a red bird with a crest on its head. It sings sweet songs. This is a goldfinch. The goldfinch is a small yellow bird. It loves to eat seeds. This is a puffin. The puffin is a seabird with a colorful beak. It looks a bit like a penguin and lives on cliffs. This is a heron. The heron is a tall bird with long legs and a sharp beak. It waits by the water to catch fish. This is a crane. The crane is a tall bird that dances gracefully. People see it as a symbol of good luck. This is an albatross. The albatross is a huge seabird with very long wings. It can fly for many days over the ocean. This is a cockatoo. The cockatoo is a white parrot with a yellow crest on its head. It can be very noisy. This is a macaw. The macaw is a big parrot with bright red, blue, and yellow feathers. This is a minna bird. The minna bird can copy human voices and make funny sounds. This is a toucan. The toucan is a bird with a huge colorful beak. It lives in the rainforest. This is an ostrich. The ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. It cannot fly, but runs very fast. Good job! You have learned about 50 bird names. Congratulations!